Hi guys, it's Sunday and it's still nice weather. Good morning, good morning. Ayan. Punta tayo tayo supermarket, mag-grocery ng food natin. At naubusan ako ng rice. So bibili ako ng rice today. Ayan. Ay, Saturday pala ngayon. Di pa Saturday. So ayan, maganda pa. Maaraw. September 6. Yes, September 6. Lumabas kami kasi ang ganda ng weather. Third week pa yung autumn dito, my loves. Third week of September. So today is 32 degree or 32 grad. Ayan, mainit pa sa labas, my loves. Green pa yung mga dahon. Hindi pa siya laya, no? Hindi pa siya nag-turn red or brown. Pag November, wala nang mga dahon yan. So, maganda pa siya tingnan. Maaraw, maliwalas, blue sky. Ang ganda ng panahon, my loves. Road trip tayo. Going to Asia Supermarket and then Dongsuan. For those not yet subscribed, please subscribe, likes, comments, and share. Follow for more for this video. Thank you for those watching for all my video to my channel. Welcome back, Trina's Diary. Yeah, see the car going there inside. I found a new Asia Supermarket and I would like to check what is over there. Ayan. Yeah. Punta tayo dyan sa loob. Ayan. So, let's go. So, ayan. Punta na tayo sa loob. Maybe big. Ah, there's no. Oh, there's a tire there. It's easy. Ah. So they have also rice. Pero walang rice. Ah, they have noodles. Yeah. I want to read on only 350. Only 250. Oysters also big. 350.
It's good or not?
Yeah, good. Paste. $2.35 only. Dami. Customer. Ayan, punta tayo sa ibang Asian supermarket sa Dongsuan. Malaking ano siya, malaking shop dito sa Leipzig. Ayan, my loves, oh. $13 lang nabayaran ko. Halina tayo, my loves. Ayan, punta tayo sa park. Yeah, it's here. This one.
So maybe like 100 or 120 something. I guess.
Something like this. Blind fish. And it's nice fish. This one also. I like it because it's more beautiful fish. This one. So, a lot of nice fish. And this one also I like. $11, of course. All the fish is lame. Okay. You need to go down. I know it's more higher because it's a lot of delicious. They have a lot here. That's why, and people will, oh, okay, I will buy because it's a lot of nice to buy. And our
That's the one we had.
okay,
1 no.
yeah, 26, 14. Kalami. Kanang lami eh. This one. 28. 28. There's no price. 10. Not much people today. Only 10. Small one. 15. Big one. This one no price. Galing eh. But the back guy is how much? hipon. Super big. But I don't know the price. I don't put price. For the legs. Why? Why and why? How much this? 12. But it's very small. So tiny.
Very tiny.
Yeah, 12.
It's like nothing.
Hello? How could I eat
There's
you?
no money in there.
Once in a blue moon. 17. It's only the ano? It's only the like. Yes, kangkong.
You put in the trash?
Oh, there's a spider. Like maybe it's beautiful here or the same. Shopping ka more. Ayan, my loves. Ito, 2 kilo. Sayote. Sige, oil. Sauce. Takrot. Tama rin. Salah dito. Salah. Yan. Luto ito. So, dahil fresh na fresh. Talbos ng kamote. Yan. So, yan. Then, kangkong. Ayan, kabili ako ng kangkong. Kangkong. Ayan. So, ano pa? Ayan. So, 14. Ayan, extra. Ayan. Sobrang laki. Mga 2 kilo siguro. Ayan, tiger shrimps. Ayan, talaga. So, ngayon, mga sisilab, alam nyo ba kung ano ang first kong lutuin for tonight? Merong pusit, merong isda, maraming gulay, merong shrimps. Ano kayang lulutuin ni Inday Tuna? Magsabaw, magpaksiw, magisa, meron ding sutanghon, ampalaya. Don't forget to subscribe, comments, likes, and share. Thank you for watching this video. Follow for more. Bye-bye.